My name is Eric Piri. I'm the CEO of Stockvel Media Hub. Stockvel Media Hub is responsible for doing Stockvel Talk roadshows. So today we are here in Vosloorus because we are busy on a campaign to educate Stockvels to form cooperatives. Cooperatives have a legal standing in society. If you are a co-op, then you've got the right to go to a bank and apply for a loan. You've got the right to go to a government to apply for funding. They can able to assist you because you are a cooperative. Many Stockvels can't secure loans from the banks because they don't have a legal standing. They're regarded as a social entity. So that is the reason why we want to convert Stockvels into cooperatives. So that's the reason why we decided to come here. We want to bring business from town to come to the township and actually interact with our Stockvel members.
So abantu abalana, it's the different members of the different Stockvels which are from around Vosloorus, or you've got other members who are from afar?
No, when we go to Vosloorus, we deal with only Vosloorus Stockvel members. When we go to Orlando, we deal with Orlando Stockvel members. So for today here, we are having Stockvel members who are residing here in Vosloorus.
So as a CEO of the Stockvel Media Hub, what's your day-to-day role? Because I know Stockvel have been around. Just give me an iceberg of your role.
Yeah, on a day-to-day basis, what we do in the office, during the weekend when we engage Stockvel, we go to various communities. So during the week, some of the Stockvels who attended our events, they come to our office for assistance. We've got a colleague of mine, Senti Mokhotsana, who specializes in business registration. So some of them, they come to him so that he can able to assist them to register their cooperatives. So that's our role on a daily basis. At some point, we also act as an agent between Stockvels and retailers. Like for instance, if they want to buy in bulk, then they come to us, then we organize with the retailers so that they can able to buy stock in bulk at a good price, so they can able to save more money.
So, since you're mentioning that the people that are here are from the Stockvel, I want to know, since we are going to December, crime is rife, and the people who are doing Stockvel, they are the target during this time around. So, what are the contingency measures or safety measures that you would like to give those who are doing Stockvels to be aware or follow?
Yeah, like today, I was engaging with other Stockvel members who are here at the event, and I told them that it's very important that they must not handle cash. Whatever they do, they must do online. They must actually transact. If they want to pay for grocery at Macro, they must just transact it. Then they transfer the money to Macro rather than handling cash, because in Limpopo, we had about 2 incidents where our members have been robbed because they had the money in cash. So we want to avoid those kind of things. That's why we encourage them so that they can able to just transact and transfer whatever they want to buy during December, because most of them, they save until December, then they buy their hampers, grocery hampers. So we don't want to hear stories. So all of them, we say they must able to transact, do their business online.
So, okay. What do I do? Do I join your Stockvel Hub as an individual, or I need to be in a group to be a member?
It's both ways. You can join as an individual. You can join as a Stockvel group. Even people who are not even involved in Stockvels, we encourage them to join, because opportunities, they pass while people are sitting at home. So we encourage them to join so that they can come and learn and see what is happening, so that they can get the motivation to do what other people are doing.
And those that are not here today, you'll just wrap it up with the advantages of being a member of the Stockvel. Advice on those who are not here but would love to be here but they couldn't, and your words on them, and the advantages of being a part of Stockvel.
Yeah, there is a saying which says, uzoyithola kanjani ukuhlala ekhoneni. So all those people who are sitting at home not coming to connect and engage with other people, they are losing big time. So we encourage them, wherever you hear that there is a Stockvel gathering, come closer, come and meet people and learn a lot of things. We've got testimonials that we can talk about. There are people who, when they started attending our event, they didn't have businesses, but today they've got businesses. A point in question, even in Deep Kloof, we've got one of our members who owns an outlet there, in a retail outlet there in Deep Kloof. So when that person started, he didn't have anything, but now he's got a huge business.